How to import and correctly scale an image. Hello and welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to show you how to insert and scale an image. So let's begin. The first step is to go to Insert and select Import Image. Then place the image. The second way is to simply drag and drop the image from your folder directly into the Revit window. Just click on it in the folder, hold the left mouse button, drag it, and it will automatically be inserted. Next, we go to Annotate and choose Detail Line, and for the line style, we select Path of Travel Lines. We pick this style because the green line is easier to see. You can also create your own line style and set any color that works best for you. Then we draw a line over the part of the image we want to measure. And we add a few additional lines to make the scaling process easier. Now we measure to see whether we need to enlarge or reduce the image. We can see that the current length is 42 foot, 3 inch, but it needs to be 35. We add another line by offsetting the bottom line by exactly 35 foot. This gives us a reference line with the exact length we need. Next, we select the image, click Scale, and make sure Graphical is selected. We pick the bottom and top points of the measurement. If we needed to enlarge the image, we would drag upward, but since we need to reduce it, we drag down to the 35-foot reference line we created. Additionally, we can also type in the exact value we want during the scaling process. We'll repeat the process and create a reference line over the part of the image we want to measure. Select the image, click Scale, pick those 2 points, and then type in the value we want that dimension to become. This way, the image is scaled graphically to the exact length we need. And now we have our scaled image. We can start drawing the walls. And that's it. We hope this tutorial helps you improve your Revit workflow. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.